This The Rich Company property video is presented by Heather Osborne. Charming vintage home recently inspected with all repairs complete. Lovely remodeled 2-story abode located in the city of Washington, offering 4 bedrooms and 2 baths with an expansive 2,108 square feet of living space. Bring your swing or rocking chairs to enjoy the welcoming front porch. This grand home features a new roof, new hot water heater, new fixtures, new electrical panel, and brand new stainless steel appliances. The large family room invites you to the relax by the custom fireplace with new damper incorporating a library/office at one end. The kitchen beams with new appliances and detailed backsplash offering plenty of cabinets. Cozy breakfast nook on the way to the formal dining room with separate laundry room. Fenced-in rear yard with 2 large pecan trees. Recently serviced HVAC and newer vinyl windows. Must see to embrace the historic feel just a few blocks away from thriving downtown Washington. You will not find a better opportunity to own such an impressive home.